morning students, welcome to chemistry online class. In this session we will discuss the topic grouping of elements based on electronic configurations in the modern periodic table. 118 elements are placed in 18 groups and 7 periods is based on the modern periodic law. The position of each element present in the periodic table is closely related to its outer shell electronic configuration. Let us analyze the changes in the electronic configuration along the period. Now the topic is variation of electronic configuration along the periods. We already know the period starts with the element which possesses the electronic configuration is NS1 and the period ends with the element which possesses the electronic configuration is NS2 NP6. The element starts with NS1 in the period and ends with the electronic configuration NS2 NP6. Here N represents the period number. So, period number, first period, filling of electrons in orbitals. So, in the first period, filling of electron starts from the 1s orbital. S orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons in the orbital. So, first period contains only 2 elements. The 2 elements are hydrogen and helium. So, first period, filling of electrons starts from 1s and ends with 1s. Number of elements present in the first period 2. The first element is hydrogen. Electronic configuration is 1s1. The last element is helium. Electronic configuration is 1s2. Second period, electron filling starts from 2s orbital followed by 3 2p orbitals. Totally 8 elements are present in the second period. The first element is lithium 2s1. Neon, its electronic configuration is 2s2 2p6. And then third period, filling of electron starts from the 3s orbital followed by 3p orbital. Like second period, third period also contains 8 elements from sodium to argon. Sodium, its electronic configuration is 3s1. Argon, its outer shell electronic configuration is 3s2 3p6. And then fourth period, filling of electron starts from 4s orbital followed by 3d orbital and then 4p orbital. So, the number of elements present in the fourth period is 18. The period starts from potassium and ends with krypton. The outer shell electronic configuration of potassium is 4s1. Krypton is 4s2 4p6. Here, filling of the fourth period starts from 4s followed by 3d and 4p is based on the half-bar principle. Half-bar, its meaning is building up. Half-bar, its meaning is building up in the ground state of the atoms. The orbitals are filled in the increasing order of the energy. I am repeating, in the ground state of the atoms, orbitals are filled in the increasing order of the energy. That is, the electron first occupy the lowest orbital and then it will move to the highest orbital. That is, the electrons are filled in the increasing order of the energy level. Electrons first occupy the lowest orbital. After the filling of the lowest orbital and then electron moves to the filling of the highest orbital is called the Hofbauer principle. In the fourth period, electron filling starts from 4s followed by 3d and 4p. The filling of 3d orbitals, the involved elements are from scandium to zinc. The 3d series is also called first transition series. The elements which is involved in the filling of 4d orbital, 5d orbital and 6d orbital is collectively called as first 4d is second transition series, 5d is third transition series, 6d is fourth transition series, and then fifth period, filling of electrons starts from 5s orbital followed by 4d orbital and 5p orbital. Totally 18 elements are present in the fifth period. The elements starts from rubidium and ends with the xenon. Rubidium, its electronic configuration is 5s1. Xenon, its electronic configuration is 5s2, 5p6. And then sixth period, filling of electrons starts from 6s orbital followed by 4f, 5d and 6p orbitals. Totally 32 elements are present in the sixth period. Sixth period starts with the element cesium and ends with the element radon. Cesium, its electronic configuration is 6s1. Radon is 6s2, 6p6. In the sixth period, the elements which is involved in the filling of 4f orbitals are from 58 cerium to 71 lutetium, totally 14 elements. These 14 elements are called first inner transition series, is also called lanthanides. And then seventh period, the filling of electron starts from 7s orbital followed by 5f orbital, 6d orbital, 7p orbital. Like sixth period, seventh period also contains 32 elements. Seventh period starts from francium and ends with the oganesson. Francium, its outer shell electronic configuration is 7s1. Oganesson, its outer shell electronic configuration is 7s2, 7p6. The elements which is involved in the filling of 5f orbitals are from 90 thorium to 103 lawrencium, totally 14 elements. The 14 elements are collectively called second inner transition series, is also called actinoids. First inner transition series and the second inner transition series are kept at the bottom of the modern periodic table. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, students. Thank you.